Number 1. 1991 Ford F-150, price $4,500, features a manual transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck shows 95,000 miles on the odometer, though it's likely the mileage has rolled over. It comes in an off-white exterior paired with a red interior, giving it a classic early -90s look. The frame and cab are in excellent shape, reflecting a solid structural condition for its age. However, the current owner originally purchased this truck expecting it to be a reliable daily driver, only to later discover that it requires more mechanical work than was disclosed at the time of purchase. After a shop inspection, it was found that, at minimum, it needs a new fuel tank. While it does start up and drive, the owner no longer has the time or resources to address the repairs, and is now selling it at a loss. Number 2. 1991 GMC Sierra 1500, price $10,000, reliable truck with a clean title and no rust anywhere on the body. It has 260,000 miles on the chassis, but the V8 engine was replaced about a year ago and currently has approximately 150,000 miles on it. The truck is equipped with an automatic transmission and has been well maintained over the years. Everything on the truck is fully functional, and it runs and drives pretty well, making it a dependable daily driver or weekend cruiser. The exterior is finished in a classic blue color, giving it a bold and timeless look. It also comes with a set of new 17x11 Weld Street Performance Ventura wheels wrapped in Nitto tires, adding both style and performance to the setup. Overall, it's a clean, rust-free example of a classic early 90s GMC that's ready to be driven and enjoyed. Number 3. 1978 Ford F-150, price $7,500, well-preserved classic pickup with just 66,000 miles on the odometer. It features a brown exterior and matching brown interior, both in clean condition, and is powered by a strong 390 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. This truck comes fully loaded from the factory with all the original bells and whistles still intact, no missing trim pieces, and everything is where it should be. Factory options include air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, and a cargo light, making it a rare and desirable setup for its time. It runs exceptionally well, turn the key and it fires right up without hesitation, with many new parts already installed and a clean title in hand. Number 4. 1978 GMC Sierra 1500, price $4,500. This pickup is a solid and dependable work truck that has traveled just 78,500 miles. It features a 350 V8 engine paired with a 350 turbo automatic transmission, delivering reliable performance with no mechanical issues. The truck runs and drives great, making it a practical choice for daily tasks or hauling needs. The exterior is finished in classic white, complemented by a blue interior that remains in good condition for its age. It runs on gasoline and includes an automatic transmission for easy driving. While the air conditioning system is complete, it is currently non-functional and may need servicing. Structurally, the truck is in impressive shape, with no rust on the frame or rocker panels, only a small area of rust on the driver's rear fender well. Number 5. 1986 Dodge D50, price $3,500, finished in matching gold exterior and interior, powered by a 2.0L 4-cylinder engine and automatic transmission, with 107,000 miles. It's a fun, attention-grabbing little truck with a solid frame and lots of character. The body is mostly solid, though the rocker panels are temporarily riveted on and have rust on both sides. It has an exhaust leak with a straight pipe into a turndown, but the catalytic converter is still in place. The driver's side floorboard needs a patch. It's lowered, so it rides stiff, but still shines up nicely despite some dings and scratches. The truck has power steering, but the pump leaks so the belt has been removed. Steering is still functional. The carburetor loses prime overnight or in the cold. Number 6. 1995 GMC Sierra 1500, price $9,000. Although the odometer reads 210,000 miles, it has a recently rebuilt 5.7L V8 engine and a brand new automatic transmission, both of which have only about 40,000 miles on them. The truck runs on gasoline and features a striking blue exterior paired with a charcoal interior. The current owner had the interior redone, and while there are some minor stains, it remains in good overall condition. The vehicle also received a new set of tires about a year ago, adding to its road readiness. The air conditioning system does function, though its performance varies depending on the outside temperature. One minor issue is that the passenger side door opens consistently from the outside, but it doesn't always open from the inside. Number 7. 1983 Ford F-150, price $3,500, reliable truck that runs and drives great. It has 87,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Powered by a gasoline engine, this classic pickup features a striking black exterior paired with a bold red interior, giving it a timeless and rugged appeal. Recent maintenance includes a brand new front end featuring new ball joints and tie rods, ensuring smooth handling and improved performance. The truck also comes with a newly installed bench seat and new front tires. The current owner is looking to sell quickly, so it's priced to move. A great opportunity for anyone seeking a dependable vintage truck with character. Number 8. 1988 Ford F-250, price $5,500, well-equipped truck with 129,000 miles on the odometer. It features a 5-speed manual transmission and is powered by a robust 460 big block V8 gasoline engine. Finished in blue both inside and out, the truck is a 2WD model and comes equipped with the heavy-duty rear end, camper package, and towing package, making it ideal for hauling or long trips. The vehicle includes power windows and power door locks, offering added convenience, along with a spray-in bed liner that adds durability for work or utility use. Despite a minor hole in the driver's side cab corner, which has been treated with PR15 to prevent further rust, the truck remains rock solid. The current owner purchased the truck in Illinois and drove it back to Wisconsin without any issues, noting that it runs and drives great. Recent maintenance includes a new cap and rotor. Additionally, the sale includes rear shocks, rear wheel cylinders, rear brake spring kits, and rear brake shoes ready for installation. Number 9. 2000 GMC Sierra 2500, price $3,200, dependable heavy-duty truck with 205,000 miles on the odometer and an automatic transmission. It features a black exterior paired with a tan interior, and runs on gasoline. The truck is equipped with a tow hitch and a trailer brake controller, making it ideal for towing needs. It starts without any issues and runs, drives, and stops great. Notably, the 355 engine was rebuilt at 170,000 miles, and at that time, both a new fuel pump and new fuel tank were also installed. The tires are in good condition, ready for the road. While the mechanical condition is solid, the body shows considerable rust, especially on the rocker panels, cab corners, and bed. On the plus side, both heat and air conditioning function very well, ensuring comfort in any season. Number 10. 1978 Chevrolet C10, price $5,000, with 72,000 miles and an automatic transmission. Most of the body is original and untouched, except for the hood and a license plate added to cover some holes in the bed. Originally powered by a 250 inline-six, it now features a rebuilt 1973 454 big block V8 with only 3,000 miles since the rebuild. The engine runs strong, sounds great, and delivers plenty of torque, making it a blast to drive. It's equipped with brand new tires, long tube headers, and true dual exhaust all the way to the rear. The interior matches the exterior in blue and maintains its vintage charm. Minor issues include a collapsed front right brake hose, causing it to pull right, and a faulty headlight switch that affects the rear lights and turn signals.